ECDL Advanced Access Lesson 57 Report Headers and Footers. Reports can have header and footer areas defined. Group headers and footers are defined with grouping levels. Report headers and footers appear at the beginning and end of every report. Page headers and footers are printed at the top and bottom of every printed page. Data fields can be added to header and footer areas. These can include fields from the field list or the date and time. Automatic page numbering can be added to page headers or footers. Okay, let's try this out. If we open the Houses database and view the Sample 1 report, let's look at page 2. This page is still showing records from the first type of property group, that was apartment. But because the field is defined in the group header, it will not display until the start of the next group, i.e. there is no group heading on the second page. Switch to Design View. Click and drag the Type of Property field straight upwards from the Type of Property header to the page header, just above the existing label. View the report again. As the field Type of Property is now in the page header, it appears on every page. Switch to Design View. Right-click on the Type of Property field and select Copy from the shortcut menu. Right-click in the Type of Property footer area and select Paste. Delete the Group Total label. Next, let's select the Type of Property field and move it into the position in which we've just deleted the label. Paste the Type of Property field again, this time into the page footer area, and move it just to the right of the current date field. View the report, and then let's look at page 2 again. The Type of Property field now appears in 3 places. Switch to Design View, click on the Type of Property field in the page footer, and press Delete to remove it. If a field was common throughout the whole report, it could also be placed in report header or report footer in the same way. It is more common, however, to insert fields such as date, time, page numbers, and labels in these areas. To insert the date, make sure the Design tab is displayed, and in the header-footer group, click the Date and Time button. Select any date and time options and then click OK. The fields are added to the right of the report header area. To add page numbers, go back to the head-footer group and click on the Page Numbers button. Select the Format option of page N of M, the position option of bottom of page, that's in the footer, and choose Right from the Alignment drop-down list. Then click OK. OK, the next thing we want to do is to draw a label in the centre of the page footer. So, for this we're going to use the Label tool, which is the capital A followed by the little a, and type your name in the label. Let's now preview the report to see the information which has been added to the header and footer. So in the header we have the date and the time, and the other things we added were in the footer, in which we put the name of the author along with page 1 of 5 in this particular case. Okay, we're going to carry on from here in the next lesson. So save the report, close the report, and then next lesson we'll carry on from where we finished in this. Okay, so we've now finished lesson 57 on report headers and footers, and in the next lesson we'll deal with printing reports. Okay, I look forward to seeing you then.